Hey there, super scientists and their awesome parents. Welcome to our walkthrough of the Science Test 8 study guide, designed specifically for 5th grade students studying with the Abeka curriculum. Whether you're a budding biologist or a future physicist, this guide is your ticket to acing that upcoming test. First things first, make sure you have your study guide printed out in front of you. This will be your roadmap as we explore the fascinating world of science together. Pen or pencil? Check. Curiosity? Double check. Are you ready? Fantastic. Our journey through the study guide will cover everything from ecosystems to energy, plants to planets, and everything in between. Let's turn those question marks into exclamation points of knowledge. First up, we're diving into true or false. If the statement is true, write true. If the statement is false, replace the underlined words with a word or phrase that will make the statement true. Do not write false in any blank. The basic cause of all weather is the moon. Scientists who study the weather are called meteorologists. The imaginary line running through the Earth from North Pole to South Pole is the equator. The air that we live in receives most of its warmth from the sun. Different seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis. Winds are produced by temperature differences on the Earth. Warm air is heavier than cool air. The Earth's surface spins at over 1 million miles per hour. Moving on, we have labeling. 1. Use the terms listed below to label the wind systems on the diagram of the Earth. Each answer will be used twice. 2. Mark with a star the 2 areas of the Earth that have the most changeable weather. Just refer to image shown. All right, now let's dive into fill in the blank. Write the answer that best completes the statement. The amount of water vapor that the air can hold at a given temperature is the blank of the air. The lowest possible temperature at which air is able to hold all of its water vapor is its blank. The process in which water vapor leaves the air and changes into liquid is called blank. Air is saturated when the humidity of the air is blank %. Water vapor that condenses to form liquid water on the ground is called blank. Water vapor that condenses and forms frozen water on the ground is called blank. Next up, we're doing matching. Match the description with the correct form of precipitation. An ice crystal in a cloud becomes too heavy, falls, melts, and lands on the Earth as liquid water. Falling ice crystals melt slightly, stick, and freeze together into snowflakes. Falling ice crystals melt into raindrops, then refreeze and land on Earth as tiny pieces of ice. Falling ice crystals melt, hit the Earth as liquid rain, but refreeze as soon as they land. A small piece of ice is tossed up and down inside a cloud, forming several layers of ice until it is too heavy and falls to Earth. Next up is multiple choice. Write the letter of the correct answer in the blank. Puffy, bulgy clouds belong to the blank family. A. Stratus. B. Cirrus. C. Cumulus. D. Nimbus. Wispy, curly clouds very high in the atmosphere belong to the blank family. A. Cumulus. B. Cirrus. C. Stratus. D. Nimbus. Sheets of clouds that often produce rain are blank clouds. A. Cumulus. B. Stratus. C. Cirrus. D. Nimbus. Clouds made of very small ice crystals are blank clouds. A. Cumulus. B. Stratus. C. Cirrus. D. Nimbus. Thunderhead is another name for a blank cloud. A. Nimbostratus. B. Cumulonimbus. C. Cirrocumulus. D. Altocumulus. A term used to describe a cloud from which rain is falling is blank. A. Nimbus. B. Cumulus. C. Cirrus. D. Stratus. Very good, guys. Let's move on to true or false. If the statement is true, write true. If the statement is false, replace the underlined words with a word or phrase that will make the statement true. Do not write false in any blank. The broad, flat top of a cumulonimbus cloud is called an anvil top. When opposite electrical charges build up in very tall clouds, hail is produced. The rapid expansion of superheated air causes shock waves that we hear as thunder. The type of storm that packs the most destructive power into the smallest space is the hurricane. The calm region of very low air pressure in the center of a tornado is called the eye. If a tornado has been spotted, meteorologists issue a tornado watch. The thin channel of charged air through which a lightning bolt can travel is the anvil top. Lightning bolts that do not come in contact with the ground but remain within the cloud are known as cloud lightning. The row of thunderheads that builds up in the front of advancing cold air is called a squall line. The boundary between two air masses is called a front. We're almost there. Let's do discussion. Write a paragraph describing 5 precautions you should take during a thunderstorm. Write it on the blank provided. For the last part, we have discussion. Read the selection and answer the questions. In Pensacola, Florida, the temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit and the relative humidity is 100%. In Albany, New York, the temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit and the relative humidity is 100%. Is the amount of water vapor in the air over Pensacola and the air over Albany the same? Why or why not? You've done an amazing job today, exploring the vast universe of science and filling out your study guide. Remember, understanding these concepts is just like conducting an experiment. The more you practice, the better your results will be. Parents, thank you for guiding and encouraging your young scientists. Your support is as crucial as water for seedlings. Hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. Share with your fellow scientists and subscribe for more educational adventures. Do you have questions? More curious about a topic? Drop a comment below. Best of luck on Test 8 and keep discovering the wonders of science.